Right everyone, so welcome back to another video. So I'm in my little man cave today, as you probably see. I mean, it's a bit of a mess, but oh well. I mean, I've got so many parts in here, all waiting to be fitted. I mean, I've got my ice crossover pipe here, along with my Cosy filter, and several bits and pieces somewhere in there. So yeah, I mean, the postman is overworked. I mean, he's delivering parcels pretty much every day for me. So yeah, let's just get into it anyway. So we're going to be fitting the RS slam panel today, but if you want to save yourself, I think it's about £70–75. Obviously, continue watching because AirTech are charging £90 for this same product that I've got for 15 quid off eBay. So, I mean, no disrespect to AirTech, I mean, they make some fantastic products, but when I'm charging 90 quid for the exact same one I've got, and it still needs to be modified to make it work, it's a bit outrageous, really, but oh well, I mean, what can you do? So, I will quickly show you what I've got and quickly show you what you need to do, because obviously a bit of cutting, a bit of drilling needs to be done, but apart from that, it's a dead easy, simple mod to do, so we'll check that out for you. So right, as you can see, the major difference over the standard is this little scoop here, because obviously most people now have the air filters on this side, so obviously it makes sense to have the air going through the scoop to the air filter rather than the original side where the scoop is. Now, as mentioned earlier, there's some holes here that you'll have to make a little bit bigger. So there's one there, there's two pre-cut here in the centre, and obviously one over that side. And then there's, as I said earlier, you have to do a bit of cutting. So I'll put a bit of tape on mine. It's a bit of guesswork, but I was going to cut along the top of here with a Dremel. If it's still too big, obviously I'll cut a bit more off. I mean, if it's too short, I can't see it making much difference, unless it's too short, obviously. But obviously, the way I've got it, I think that's pretty much in line with the original. So we shall see. So obviously, we'll get outside now and get it all fitted. So right, as you know already, this is the original slam panel. And obviously, if your air filter is going to be there, which mine will be once this one's removed, obviously you want more air to get to it. So obviously with the RS slam panel, we'll have an extra scoop here to allow the air to get to the air filter. And very simple to remove. Obviously there's 4 screws. Obviously on mine, I've been messing around with mine already, but I've got cheap eBay ones, and obviously they just pull out. So move 4 of them, and there's 2 that you got to unscrew here. Obviously that just removes the original induction kit hose. And for me, because obviously I've got this bonnet latch, there's just 2 10mm socket, 10mm socket you'll need just to remove these 2 bolts here. So that's pretty much it, really, very simple. So there we have it, everyone. So Small problem with the drill, that's why I had to cut it a little bit short there, but yeah, it's all done now. I mean, just got to tidy up a little bit now and put the bonnet lash back on. But yeah, it's not 100% direct fit, but I'm happy with that because how much money I've saved. So obviously, that's more money spent on more mods now, so all good. So hopefully next time we'll be doing the dress up kit, and hopefully maybe starting getting the RS induction kit fitted all ready for the new engine. Obviously then we have the new turbo put it in and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching and get ready for the next one.